60-second video here. You notice something funny about this fan? You don't see it? Now, let's get a little closer. It's a smooth fan. It's not rough cast. And it has textured paint on it. So I believe what happened was, this was originally destined to be a brass fan, maybe even a chrome fan. However, when they were in the process of machining and milling this out to make it smooth, I guess that happened right there, and then they decided to make it a painted fan because of that. Thought I would share. Everybody take care and have a great one. Take care.